Hi everyone. Next we are moving to discuss about the leaf mosaic of tapioca, which is another plant disease. Okay, so this tapioca, which is otherwise known as cassava, the scientific name of this tapioca is Manihot esculenta, which is come under the family Euphorbiaceae. Which is commonly vegetative propagated. Usually stem cuttings are used, which is a tuber crop plants. And actually the tapioca is the starch extracted from the cassava root. This tapioca plant, which is native to South America, and now which is cultivated worldwide, which is a staple food in many regions. And the major importance of this cassava is, which is a good source of starch. Okay, and this another importance is the lenamarin, which is a cyanogenic glucoside, which is found on the roots, which can be converted into cyanide in the gut, so that some of the animals like goat, which when engulfed this tapioca plants, soon after the digestion they got died. That is due to the presence of this, or the conversion of this linamarin to the cyanide in the gut. The tapioca mosaic disease, which is known as otherwise known as the cassava mosaic disease, which is the one of the worst disease of cassava, which is affecting the productivity of the plant, which is first reported in the coastal regions of Nigeria, and then which is spread all over the world. And what are the symptoms of this cassava mosaic disease or the tapioca mosaic disease? That is the severe mosaic symptoms, which is mostly found in the leaves. The color of these leaves are light green, yellow or white spots. After that, this affected leaves showing mottling. So what do you mean by mottling? Which is like the leaves are just like crushed appearance. And then the discoloration of the leaf blade, mostly green to yellow colored. And then the malformation and puckering of leaves occur. Then come to another symptoms are vein clearing or vein banding and vein thickening. The veins of the leaf blade become cleared, and sometimes it is undergoing thickening. And of course, when it affects the leaves, it almost affected the entire plant, and they are become stunted in appearance. And then the diseased plants, which is very much recognized from a long distance itself, that is the symptoms are very visible. And which is the causal organism of this tapioca mosaic disease? And this is a viral disease caused by tapioca mosaic virus or cassava mosaic virus. It is otherwise termed as TMV, tapioca mosaic virus, or it is termed as cassava mosaic virus, CMV. So these viral particles, which can be transmitted through vector. What do you mean by vector? Which is a vehicle. Okay, so the vector for this tapioca mosaic virus or TMV is whitefly, which is otherwise known as Bemisia tabaci. Bemisia tabaci. And the disease is spread and transmitted by the sap feeding of this Bemisia tabaci. Okay, so this Bemisia tabaci, which spread, which acts as the vector and which acts as the agent, which is the carrier of pathogen. After getting the pathogen, which is spreading to other plants by visiting their plants itself. What are the causes of this transmission? One is the vegetative propagation, but usually, as we know that the tapioca plants are propagated through stem cuttings. And then mechanical transmission through saps, seeds or pollen, and biological transmission by fungus, nematodes or other insects. What are the control measures? One is the controlling insect vector by sparing insecticide. So we are controlling the vector Bemisia tabaci by spraying insecticide. And other practices are sanitization practices like removing or burning infected plants, and proper use of cultural instruments, and changing planting season. And tapioca planted after the beginning of rainy season is less susceptible to disease, so that we can change the planting season or at the beginning of raining season. And other control measure is the use of resistant varieties, or we are relying on plant breeding techniques for getting the use of resistant varieties. So that is about the tapioca mosaic disease, which is a viral disease, whereas citrus canker, which is a bacterial disease, and blastopadi, which is again a bacterial disease. But this tapioca mosaic disease, which is a viral disease. Okay, this is caused by the virus tobacco, tapioca mosaic virus, or TMV, and here which is spread by the vector Bemisia tabaci. So that is about the disease, tapioca mosaic disease. Thank you.